Hi kids! Welcome back to Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Let's get ready to learn.
This is video series number 30. Boys and girls, we are here again today to learn our new sounds. But before we begin, let us review the sounds we have done before. S, t, I, A, N, K, E, M, K, R, K, H, D, G, A, F, O, L, B, Z, V, W, M, U, E, O, I, J, I, O, Y. It's story time. Let us listen to our story so we can learn our new sound. Listen carefully as the sound is being mentioned. Max and T are playing. They are pretending to be spacemen. Max, the alien, chases T, the astronaut, up a tree. T falls out of the tree and hurts his arm. Dad takes T and Max to the hospital where T has to have an x-ray. T has to keep his arm very still while the nurse takes the x-ray. Ks, ks, ks. T's arm is broken, explains the doctor. The nurse puts a plaster cast on T's arm so that he cannot move it and the bones will mend properly. Ks, ks, ks. What sound did we learn today? Ks. Let me hear you say it. Ks. Again. Ks. Very good. Ks is a short letter and it is written with two straight lines that crosses each other. It touches in the center. So it is a short letter, so you don't go way up on the line. You begin halfway through the line and you draw a curved line straight. Then you go back to the top, not too close, leave a little space and draw another curved line going straight. Make sure it touches in the center. How about you try it? Remember, straight line on a slant, another straight line on a slant, touching towards the center. It's reading time. We are going to look at some words with the x sound and we are going to read together. Then you will read and you will show it to your teacher. So let us read the first word. Fox. 6. 16. Let me hear you try. Very good. Box. Did you hear it? Tax. Exit. Now why don't you try these? The next few words, read it out loud, have your mommy or daddy record you and send the recording to your teacher. Remember to try all the words on the screen. Now it's dictation time. I'm going to call 5 words and I would like you to write it on your notebook. When you're done, send a picture of it to your teacher so she can see how well you are doing. First word, fax. F-A-X, fax. Second word, six. S-I-X, six. Third word, next. N-X-T, next. Fourth word, exam. E-X-A-M, exam. Last word, flex. F-L-X, flex. You are doing very well, children.
We had so much fun today. Come back next time for more fun from Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Bye bye!